Welcome to KIMISUITE Academy. In this tutorial, we'll take a first look at Booking Hub, the KIMISUITE app for managing hotels, properties, rooms, reservations, and direct bookings. After opening Booking Hub, you'll arrive at the dashboard. The dashboard gives you a complete overview of your property, including occupancy, revenue, reservations, and important statistics. Since this is a new property, we first need to complete the initial configuration. Open Settings. Here you'll find the first setup guide. This guide walks you through every required configuration step to ensure your Booking Hub is properly configured before you start accepting reservations. Basic information about your property. Next, configure the languages available for your website. Before accepting online reservations, it's important to provide your terms and conditions, privacy policy, and cancellation policy. Guest requirements. Decide which information guests must provide during booking. You can keep the booking process simple by collecting only basic contact details, or require additional information such as address or passport details. Child booking regulations. Configure how children are handled in your booking process. Define age groups, pricing rules, meal options, and additional bed policies. All options are fully customizable, allowing you to adapt the booking process to your business needs. Additional charges. Here you can configure optional or mandatory services such as breakfast, parking, airport transfers, spa access, or any other additional service your property offers. Depending on your property's policy, these services can either be included in the room rate or offered as optional extras that guests can add during the booking process. In-house items allow you to create products and services that can be charged to a guest during their stay. Typical examples include minibar items, laundry, room service, spa treatments, or any other additional service your hotel provides. These items can easily be added to a guest's reservation at any time during their stay and will automatically appear on the final invoice during checkout. The guest booking portal provides your guests with a convenient to check their reservation online after completing a booking or to cancel it if you allowed that action. Using the link and the access code included in their confirmation email, guests can review their reservation details, and depending on your configuration, they can cancel it. Booking Hub includes a built-in guest messaging system. You can create a personalized welcome message that is automatically sent to every guest after their reservation is confirmed. Whenever a guest sends you a message, it appears directly in the Booking Hub messages section. Your reception staff can reply from within the system while having instant access to the guest's reservation details, making communication faster, easier, and more accurate. There are just a few more important settings we'll configure before moving on. Booking Hub supports multiple payment methods. You can enable pay on arrival, allowing guests to pay during check-in, or activate PayPal for secure online payments. If you require a different payment provider, simply contact our team and we'll help you integrate a custom payment solution that fits your business needs. Before we look at the landing page, it's important to understand one thing. To display rooms on your landing page or booking widget, you first need to create your room types and rooms. Without them, there is nothing available for guests to book. Let's move on to one of the most important steps, creating your room types. Unlike many booking systems, Booking Hub doesn't manage individual rooms directly. Instead, it uses room types. A room type represents a category of accommodation, such as standard room, deluxe room, family suite, or apartment. You can then add as many individual rooms as you need to each room type, while managing pricing, availability, and booking rules from one central place. The number of room types you can create depends on your subscription plan. However, each room type can contain an unlimited number of individual rooms. Let's create our first room type. Later, we'll add rooms, pricing, and availability to complete the setup. Creating a room type in Booking Hub is a simple 6-step process. We'll guide you through each step, from entering the basic room information to publishing it for online reservations. First, enter the basic information about your room type. Provide a name, a short description, and a detailed description that will be displayed to your guests during the booking process. You can also define the maximum number of adult and child guests, the room size, the room category, and how many physical rooms belong to this room type. If you have 10 identical deluxe rooms, simply enter 10. Booking Hub will automatically manage the availability for all rooms. Next, select the amenities available for this room type. Enable the features your room offers, such as Wi-Fi, TV, parking, and so on. These amenities will be displayed to your guests to a first view on your booking page, and all the other amenities will be listed on the detail page of the room. Here you can assign the meal plans available for this room type. The list is populated from the meal plans you previously created in the settings section. If no meal plans have been created there, this list will be empty. Simply select the meal plans you want to offer with this room type, and guests will be able to choose them during the booking process, according to your configuration. You can also assign optional additional services to this room type. For example, parking, spa access, airport transfers, or any other extra service you've previously created in the settings section. Guests can select these extras while making their reservation, allowing them to personalize their stay. Finally, configure the child booking options for this room type. Here you can define how many extra child beds or cribs are available for this room. In Step 2, configure the bed layout for this room type. Simply select how many beds of each type are available, such as single beds, double beds, king-size beds, sofa beds, or bunk beds. Step 3 is where you upload your room photos. Professional, high-quality images help build trust and significantly increase your direct booking conversions. Step 4 lets you configure the detailed amenities for this room type. Unlike the main amenities shown in the room listing, these amenities are displayed on the room details page, where guests can view the complete list of features before making a reservation. Simply enable all the amenities your room offers to provide guests with complete and accurate information. Step 5 is where you define the pricing strategy for this room type. Choose the pricing model that best suits your property. Every pricing model includes a built-in explanation at the top of the page, making it easy to understand how it works before configuring your rates. After setting your prices, click Next to continue. The final step is to publish your room type. Simply set the room to Available once it's ready to accept reservations. If you're still working on it, leave it disabled and publish it later. Click Save, and your room type is now ready. Now that we've created our room types, let's move on to room management. This is where you create your actual physical rooms and assign them to the room types you created earlier. Select the room type, enter the room number, and optionally create a self-check-in PIN. This PIN is only required if you're using smart locks or the self-check-in feature. Repeat the process until all of your physical rooms have been added. Booking Hub uses these room numbers to manage housekeeping, check-ins, check-outs, and room assignments. This gives you complete control over every physical room in your property. Congratulations! Your property is now fully configured and ready to accept reservations. Now it's time to let guests book directly with 0% commission. Booking Hub gives you 2 different ways to receive direct bookings. If you don't have your own website, Booking Hub can automatically create a professional landing page for your property, completely free. This page will display your rooms, live availability, prices, photos, and booking engine, allowing guests to book directly with 0% commission. To open the landing page settings, go back to the main Booking Hub settings. Scroll to the landing page and open it. The landing page setup is divided into simple steps. First, you customize the design and content. Then you can preview the page, copy the URL, or generate a QR code to share it with your guests. Everything is fully customizable. You can change images, colors, backgrounds, text, buttons, sections, and much more, all without writing a single line of code. We designed every setting to be simple and easy to understand, so anyone can build a professional booking page. While you focus on your design, Booking Hub automatically generates all the code behind the scenes. While customizing your landing page, simply keep the preview open in another browser tab. Every change you make can be viewed live, allowing you to see exactly how your page will look before sharing it with your guests. The second option for receiving direct bookings is through your own website using our free widget creator. This is the solution we recommend for every property that already has a website, as it allows guests to book directly without leaving your site. Widget Creator is one of the most innovative applications in the KIMISUITE ecosystem. It automatically transforms the data from your KIMISUITE apps into beautiful interactive widgets that can be embedded on virtually any website without writing a single line of code. Whether you're using Booking Hub, Restaurant Hub, Vehicle Hub, Service Manager, or any other supported app, Widget Creator keeps your website synchronized with live data from your KIMISUITE workspace. Let's create our first Booking Hub widget. Booking Hub currently offers several widget types, including the Booking Hub slider, Booking Hub listing, and Booking Hub search widget. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the Booking Hub listing widget, as it provides everything you need to display your rooms and start accepting direct bookings on your website. One of the biggest advantages of Widget Creator is that everything is fully customizable. You can change the colors, fonts, border radius, layout, and many other design options to perfectly match your existing website. As you make changes, the live preview updates instantly, so you can immediately see how your widget will look before publishing it. In the Properties option, Website field, enter the exact URL of the page where this widget will be placed. Click Publish, and Widget Creator will generate a small embed code that you can paste into your website. Within minutes, your Booking Hub will be live and ready to accept direct reservations. Congratulations! Your property is now fully configured and ready to receive direct bookings. If you haven't already, start your free 14-day trial and experience everything Booking Hub has to offer, completely risk-free. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial, where we'll continue exploring the powerful features of Booking Hub.